Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about how to make photorealistic pictures using MidJourney. We're going to be using ChatGPT4 to create the prompts, and basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be inputting the MidJourney documentation and a couple of prompts from the AI Advantage, which is, honestly, go and watch this video. In fact, I'm not even going to put these two prompts in my description because I want you to go to this video. I will leave this video in the description. You should 100% watch this video. It's really, really good. But I wanted to make my own video about this process. And honestly, if we just take one very quick look at the result, this is without doing what we're talking about in this video. So you can see it looks like complete crap. And then these ones here are using what we're going to be talking about in this video, and as you can see, they are the opposite. They are completely amazing. So what I'm envisioning is that this will be a way to replace stock photos. This will be a way to replace any kind of photo that you need to get from the internet. We can now pretty much use MidJourney for. So what I personally did was I went on the MidJourney documentation like this, and I just went on user guide at the bottom here, and I went to parameters and advanced prompts. Basically, I took each of these pages and I just copied and pasted it directly into ChatGPT4, okay? So once I did that, I got it to produce me a prompt, okay? So let's see what I actually did. Let's go through the process. First of all, I just copied and pasted all of the different parameters into ChatGPT4, telling it what it could use and what it couldn't use and how MidJourney actually works. And every time at the bottom of my ChatGPT4 prompt, I said, do you understand? Okay, this is something I've talked about in the past. When you say, do you understand, ChatGPT4 will reply, yes, I understand the information provided. Based on the MidJourney parameters and options, I can now create prompts for you to generate specific types of art, blah, blah, blah. And then I gave it some more information. But this is missing something super important. All of this information that I'm giving it is vital for it to know. And this is a very important part of the process. So you want to give it the quality, the seeds, the stop, the stylize, the tile, the version, the video. But the really important thing, the thing that the AI Advantage talks about in this video, is this here, okay? So use a Zeiss Otus 55mm f1.4 lens to achieve impeccable sharpness and outstanding color fidelity, okay? So what I did was, after I'd fed it all of the information, I asked it for a Viking warrior, okay? And the prompt that it gave me was this Viking warrior prompt here, which gave me this output here, which I don't like, and it's not very good at all. And I said, please make it a version 5 prompt, and then, yeah, it was still the same thing. It still didn't look good. This is the important thing, and thank you so much to the AI Advantage for showing this. But I said, please use more detailed photography-specific language, such as these two prompts, and I copied and pasted the AI Advantage's two prompts here, and then the output here is 100 times better. Capture a striking and vivid image of a Viking warrior exuding confidence and prowess, wearing historically accurate armor, a horned helmet, and wielding a mighty axe and shield. Utilize a Zeiss Distagon, so I don't even know if that's the same lens. It's not, it's a different lens. So it is using just its knowledge of everything, photography, of the internet, etc. Utilize a Zeiss Distagon 2 *35mm f1.4 lens to achieve excellent sharpness and color fidelity, ensuring the rich textures and hues in the scene are faithfully represented. Wow. Compose the scene with the Viking warrior standing in a rugged landscape with a traditional long ship visible in the background. I don't know if no, there's no long ship. Under a dramatic sky. Experiment with volumetric lighting to accentuate the warrior's powerful presence and create a cinematic atmosphere. Emphasize the depth of field and contrast in the scene to highlight the intricate details of the warrior's attire and surroundings. AR169 Up Better V5. The results they just speak for themselves. They are completely insane. But what I can now do is I can give it any prompt. So if I say a sushi dish. Let's see what it comes out with. Capture a delectable and appetizing image of a meticulously arranged sushi dish featuring an assortment of fresh sashimi, nigiri, and rolls. Utilize a Zeiss Milvus, again another lens, to achieve exceptional sharpness and accurate color reproduction, ensuring that the vibrant hues of the fish, rice, and garnishes are faithfully represented. Compose the scene on a sleek and elegant serving plates with the sushi pieces artfully placed to showcase their intricate shapes and textures. Blah, 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 blah. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a live Imagine test in MidJourney. So we'll give that some time to load. So just while that's loading, let's have a little look at how much a stock footage website would normally cost you. It normally costs about $29 per month, and that's for 10 credits. What does that mean? It literally means you get 10 photos. 25 photos is $59. I mean, just look at these prices. It's completely ridiculous. And it's billed annually, blah, blah. It's just a mess, okay? It's way more expensive. MidJourney, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, is $12 a month, maybe. Basic plan is $10 a month, okay? Which is just way, 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 way cheaper. And to be honest with you, the results aren't really significantly worse, although this doesn't really look real, I wouldn't say. This is kind of interesting. I guess it does look real. Most of these do look pretty real. This would be fine for like a banner photo or banner image on your website, whatever it might be. I'm a little bit disappointed with the results there. I was expecting them to be better than that. Okay, let's do our last test here, and let's do an underwater monster. So capture a breathtaking and eerie image of a colossal underwater monster lurking in the depths of a mysterious ocean. Utilize a Zeiss Batis 25mm f2 lens to achieve a wide-angle perspective. I actually don't know anything about photography, guys, so this is really, really nice for me. Emphasizing the massive scale of the creature and the vast expanse of the underwater environment. Incorporate various shades of deep blues and greens to convey the sense of depth. 1 second. And the unknown, while utilizing volumetric lighting to create an otherworldly atmosphere. Position the monster emerging from the darkness, its menacing eyes and razor-sharp teeth glistening in the dim light as it sends ripples through the water. Surround the creature with swirling schools of fish, marine plants, and floating debris to enhance the sense of motion and tension in the scene. I'm really excited to see what this comes up with. Honestly, I'm a little bit worried. I'm a little bit scared, but we shall see. The basic idea behind this video, though, is to show you that you can now make stock footage for way cheaper than an actual stock footage website. You don't have to pay these guys anymore. Honestly, you don't have to pay Shutterstock. I would honestly just use MidJourney at this point, because it's more, you can get exactly what you want out of it, whereas a stock footage website only has the stock footage that it has available. Whereas with MidJourney, you can literally make whatever you want. And with ChatGPT4 creating the prompts for you, you don't need to know about photography. You don't need to know about anything, because ChatGPT4 will do all of the heavy lifting for you. This is great for creating characters for a novel, whatever it might be. Like, I'm super, super excited about MidjourneyV5. It just, the quality seems a lot better. Let's have a little look here. Okay, I like it. It just looks like it's created an octopus. This one's kind of freaky, the third one. But overall, I would say, yeah, the results here are pretty nice. This, let's upscale the second one. For some reason, this one here was automatic. Oh, up beta. This is what I need to do. So dash up beta, it looks like it will, whoa, that was really quick. It looks like it will automatically create an upscaled one for you. That is such a beautiful image. I'm really, really happy with the results here. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this helps you make some stock footage or whatever you want to use this for exactly. Yeah, get on it, guys. ChatGPT4 makes amazing prompts, and it follows all of the complicated photography stuff that I just don't have time to learn. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with some more content. Peace out.